Fast numerical integration in Python. I have a program that involves computing a definite integral many times, and have been struggling to find a way to do so quickly. The integrals I need to solve are of the following form. I have to solve this integral for many different values of r, which affects both the limits of integration and also the integrand through the function g. Because of this, I have not found a way to vectorize the problem and must instead rely on loops. This significantly slows down the problem because I need to make function calls in each loop. Below is one way to do it using loops, using made-up data and functions. This takes approximately 17.7 milliseconds, which is too slow for my current needs. I don't care too much about getting the integrals to be super precise. I would be happy with a solution that gave approximations within 1% of the true value. Any help would be greatly appreciated.
If you have lots of these to do and f is more complicated than your example, you could get some benefits from memoizing f and possibly g. What is memoization and how can I use it in Python? Basically, anywhere you can, cache a computation and trade memory for CPU.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.